Imagine building a house. Traditional methods involve creating a detailed blueprint and strictly following it. Agile is more like sketching a basic plan and adjusting it as you go. Scrum is the superstar of Agile frameworks. Picture a sports team passing the ball back and forth, making quick decisions. With Scrum, you work in short sprints, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks, where you tackle small tasks. Daily stand-up meetings keep everyone in sync. Kanban is similar to a well-organized to-do list. You visualize your work on a board, moving tasks from to-do to doing to done. The key is to maintain a smooth flow and enable continuous delivery. Extreme programming is an agile software development methodology that emphasizes frequent releases, continuous feedback, and close collaboration to improve software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. Lean software development borrows concepts from manufacturing with the aim of eliminating waste, like unnecessary features, redundant tasks, or delays, delivering value to customers quickly, and continuously improving. Lastly, there's Scaled Agile Framework, which can be considered agile for large companies. A global technology company might use it to coordinate the work of hundreds of developers across different countries, ensuring that all teams are aligned and working towards the same goals. Each framework has its strengths, but they all embody the Agile spirit: flexibility, collaboration, and delivering value quickly. Was this helpful? Subscribe for more videos or visit simpleshow.com for more resources. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. We love hearing from you.